someone's not wearing green, so I get to pinch you. I'm so excited for their surprise. You guys, I think a leprechaun came.
Coins! I'm hiding in the boys' room. It's not the only animal we're getting today. We actually are getting it's the best thing ever.
We may have a little leprechaun bringing something to us.
Wherever you are, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, that's where I wanna be. This is home.
Good morning!
Happy St. Patrick's Day!
Happy St. Patrick's Day! What's up, you guys? Ollie is creating his very own book. So he came to me this morning with a stack of paper, right? And he said, I want to make a book. So I stapled it. And now he's been making...
Did he do this?
Yes.
You even did all the little X's? That's so cute.
So it's a book of like all his favorite animals, right?
This is the lizard I did.
Wow.
And this is the spider I did.
This is amazing, Ollie.
That's so cool. And now he has blank pages that he can just draw. Here, you want to draw this one next? So it's St. Patrick's Day, and Ollie was smart and put on a green shirt, but someone's not wearing green, so I get to pinch you. Where's your green, mister? Finn loves Spider-Man so much that he's like, I'm not putting on green. I'm wearing Spidey. Ollie has already pinched me because I don't believe I have any green on my Mac Miller shirt or on my shorts.
This is not my official outfit.
You're not wearing green! Pinch mommy! Pinch mommy! Pinch mommy! She's not wearing green! You guys, Missy's not wearing green! Pinch, 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 pinch!
I have green underwear.
Oh, he's wearing green. Prove it!
I got the memo. I got the memo.
Alright, Mimi's safe.
Hey, Finn. I don't know if you ever have to wear green again because you are like a real life leprechaun, aren't you?
Do you remember that video where you dressed up like a leprechaun and caused havoc in the house?
That was the cutest thing ever.
If you guys have not seen it, we'll have it linked up in the iCard. So as you guys know, it's St. Patrick's Day for us. So my wife is about to walk into my office dressed like this.
I have to put on my green, so it's fine. Look, I'm doing my Irish jig.
Look at your jigging. Babe, you are looking good.
You still need to put on your green.
My eyes are green. I don't need to wear green.
That doesn't count.
Shamrock my world. You're so cute.
I think this is a little bit much, but I really had to get the boys into the spirit because we're about to have a little St. Patrick's Day fun.
I'm so excited for their surprise. We may have a little leprechaun bringing something to us.
For the St. Patrick's little surprise for the boys today, we had to run up to the barn really quick. If you know what I had to grab for them, leave it down in the comments. I think everything's going good. I'm hiding in the boys' room with their surprise, and I'm trying to stay really quiet. I'm so excited to see their reaction.
You guys, I think a leprechaun came. We do have something to surprise the boys with, and I'm really, really excited. Let's go get him. Hey boys, why don't we come inside? Oh, I love you boys. Happy St. Patrick's Day. What? Then what?
Coins!
Wait, what?
Good coins! It means a leprechaun has been in the house!
You guys, grab these coins. They're worth so much money. Grab them and put them in your pocket. See how many you can get in there. That's crazy. Why would there be gold coins in here?
Maybe a leprechaun dropped them.
Maybe, yeah, you stuff in your pockets. Whoa. Whoa, you guys need to see this over here.
It's an arrow.
An arrow?
Follow the gold coins.
There's like
it's
gold.
going to the bedroom.
Whoa, the gold coins went to the bedroom?
Yeah.
What do you guys think's in there?
A leprechaun.
Do you want to see? All right, open it up and see.
What do you think? I think a leprechaun left us a little surprise. This is Winston from the barn. Oh. So Ollie,
What?
we're gonna keep him. So we have a kitty.
So we were thinking, what if he could be our kitty? What do you think, Finn?
We have a new kitty. This was such a fun little decision because he is very savvy in the outdoors.
He's gonna be catching all the little rodents running around in our garage. He's so cute, huh?
So cute.
He is so cute, huh?
He loves kids, huh?
Just be really gentle and soft with him and make sure to give him lots of pets, okay? Look at how he's just totally sitting on Finn. He's so chill.
We actually got this.
We actually got a kitty.
But where is he gonna live?
Here, with us.
They are so
Love you
cute.
guys so much.
It's really actually kind of nice because the cat knows the boys and the boys already know the cat, so they're already comfortable with each other. So we're not gonna have any issues transitioning there. He's gonna be mainly for getting all those mice and rodents in our garage and in our porch and backyard and stuff. Just
Mice.
yeah, like little mice and stuff. He'll probably bring us little treats every now and then too.
Ollie, when I was growing up, I had a cat that loved me so much that when I'd wake up every morning, he'd bring me an animal, like on my floor.
Isn't that crazy?
So he might be bringing some lizards.
Maybe he'll catch scorpions.
Oh my gosh, these kids can literally hug him and he's like loves it.
So cute. I want to sleep with it. Ew.
If you guys didn't see our last video, I'll have it linked up in the iCard, but we talked about this kitty needing a home at the barn.
He's laying on me.
Yeah, so this is Winston, you guys, and he's our new family member.
I can't believe we actually got a kitty cat.
Yes, it's true, you guys. Hit that thumbs up button because we got a new member of the family today. And comment down below, say, welcome to the family, Winston.
Welcome to the family, Winston.
He's got green eyes, you guys, so he's basically our little leprechaun kitty.
He's so gentle.
Yeah, he's like the sweetest cat in the world. I think Brian's having some bonding time with the cat. What do you think? Do you love him?
He's cute.
He's so cute. He's like literally such a sweet cat.
Just jumped up on my lap and started purring.
Yeah, and he's got quite the story. He is a very sweet cat for a reason. He's been through a lot in his life, so
Oh, really?
he's definitely like a little rescue cat that is just so thankful to have people that love him. So Winston here, he actually a few years back was attacked by a coyote and mauled pretty good to the point where he did have surgery and they had to kind of like nurse him back to health. Well, that lady ended up having to give him up to Maria, who he's been staying at in the barn, and he's so savvy.
So ever since then, like, he's just been really sweet and...
Yeah, he loves people. He was just nursed back to health by people, so he just knows how grateful he is to be alive and be here. So he's gonna be so happy here to just have a nice little home.
It reminds me of Bugs.
I know, I remember Bugs.
My grandma used to have a black cat, like, all while growing up. His name was Bugs. He was a lot fatter than this one.
Yeah, he was big cat. Ollie's just over there waiting for his turn to pet him again. So Winston is going to be staying in the basement for a little bit until he gets acclimated with our house, and so that he doesn't get scared and he can't get away for a little while. We just set up a little spot for him. Okay, Winston, here's your blanket from the barn. You know that thing, huh? You want to sit on it? All right, he's checking out his food and water. What do you think?
It's getting out that. I can't believe you actually got a kitty.
He's eating. I think that means he's happy.
He's not wagging his tail. Well, a little bit.
That tail. We couldn't let the dogs feel left out. They got some treats today and these yummy little bones, and Luna is loving it. She's like, don't even talk to me. She's actually the nicest dog to pet, even though she's got a bone. Karma got one too, but he kind of just dropped his and was like, I'd rather be inside. He's inside the house right now and he's not eating his bone, but they are definitely getting love, even though we just got a cat and the kids are obsessed with the cat. I was like, we need to get a treat for the dogs. So, funny story, the cat is not the only animal we're getting today. We actually are getting a chicken. So yeah, I actually have a neighbor who is a friend of mine who has this cute little petting zoo that I am obsessed with. They have horses and donkeys. It's the best thing ever. All right, this is Snuggles. And as you can see, she actually had some missing feathers. So they like put her feathers back together. She grew her feathers back, but she's just not really getting along with the other chickens. Look at this goat. Just hanging out. Let's bring Snuggles home. She's the cutest thing ever. So we just drove home with Snuggles in the front and she was literally perfect. What do you think?
Babe, does this mean 2 new pets? What are you doing to me?
2 new pets in one day. I'm so happy.
I'm basically just making all our dreams come true.
Yes, this is like all I want in my life. Actually, we just visited a house that had donkeys, pigs, and goats, and oh my gosh, I want all the animals in my backyard now.
Is she gonna make me some eggs?
Yeah, she's like perfect age to start.
Aw,
laying.
yeah.
Say goodnight to the kitty.
I can't believe we even got a kitty.
Happy St. Patrick's Day, boys.
Ollie literally just sat here on the stairs and he climbed right up on his lap. And just like sat there in his lap.
You have a kitty that loves you.
I'm the kitty man now.
You're the kitty man. He just named himself the kitty man.
And I made that
Okay.
Oh.
I made that.
Oh, you made that.
Ben made this and he said that it's him.
Oh. So this is Winston, but what did you want to start calling him?
Oh yeah.
Snugglebugs.
Oh.
Snuggle bugs, you guys, which I think is so cute because we were talking earlier, my grandma used to have a cat named Bugs.
Yeah.
So Snuggle Bugs is cute.
Yeah. So I'm kind of thinking maybe we could call him Winston Snugglebugs.
Winston Snugglebugs.
Yes.
I'm petting under his chin and he's like loving it.
That's the cutest thing ever. He's been kind of roaming around the house too, so he's definitely getting acclimated. The dogs have even hung out with him a little bit. To be honest, guys, though, the biggest issue with this cat is the fact that he's black. He doesn't focus.
You guys can't even see him on the camera and it doesn't even focus, it just goes in and out.
Not today. He might get scared because he doesn't know your room. Okay.
But we'll see him in the morning, okay?
There.
Can
he
you guys
just
see him
needs
now?
some light.
He needs a flash at all times.
He's like, I'll need a light to follow me everywhere.
Look at those green eyes.
I know. You're our little leprechaun kitty. All right, we had such a fun St. Patrick's Day. Let us know what you guys did for St. Patrick's Day by leaving it down in the comments, but we're gonna go ahead and end this video. It is time for bed. And the dogs are like, we wanna meet the kitty. Happy St. Patrick's Day to you guys, and we'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye. Boop.
We are at the new barn. I have been planning something and Missy does not know about it.
We got lots of fun stuff for the kitty cat.
Probably should ask her first.
Karma, you gonna be nice to Winston?
I am.
Hey.
You give me a kiss.
Mm.